Hello and welcome to Prableen Kaur's World, and today we will be covering the objective type questions of the lesson, that is the earth is not ours. So the very first question is, as always, this chapter is an extract from the inaugural address given by, and the answer is Kofi Annan. As I earlier also told that the name of the writer is extremely important. Next is on what occasion was the speech delivered, and the answer is the Millennium Summit. Next question is when was the Millennium Summit held, and the answer is from 6 to 8 September 2000. Next is what is the main theme of the speech delivered by the Secretary General of UNO, and the answer is globalization and its issues. Next is what is the meaning of globalization. If you have studied in class 10th, then you may know okay, what is globalization. It was a chapter of economics. And the answer is close interaction between different countries, improved communication, exchange of technology. So basically the answer will be D. All the options are correct. What are the dangers of globalization? Narcotics, terrorism and weapons. So all the options are correct, so answer will be D, that is all of the above. Next is what are the benefits of globalization, and the answer is faster growth, higher living standards, new opportunities. All are true, so the answer is all of the above. Three global issues are freedom from dash, and the freedom of future generations to survive on the earth, and the answer is want and fear. Freedom of want and fear. Next is more than half of the population has the basic worries like from where their children next meal is coming, and the answer is true because most of the population in our country is not well to do, like they are not from very rich families, or even if they are not middle class, they are lower middle class, or they are extremely poor or destitute. Next is in the last decade internal wars have claimed more than 5 million lives, so the answer is true. Next is what most fatalities happen in dash countries where power and health are dash distributed. So most of the conflicts occur in the happen in the poor countries where power and wealth are unfairly distributed, because अगर fairly distributed होंगे तो there will be no war or no conflicts. ठीक है, we must preserve dash to sustain life on the earth, and the answer is all of the above. How, क्या क्या sustain मतलब क्या क्या बचा के preserve करके रखना होगा, अपने forest को, fisheries को और diversity को जो कि living species की है. To save our planet we should discourage pollution, reduce overconsumption of non-renewable resources, and encourage eco-friendly practices. So the answer is all of the above because all the options are correct. The earth is not ours means it belongs to Martians? No, it belongs to our upcoming generations. It belongs to our coming generations. जो भी generations आ रही हैं उनको belong करता है. तो गांधी जी की एक बहुत ही famous quote भी है कि we have not received whatever we are having, like we have not inherited it from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our कमिंग जनरेशंस. ठीक है, जो हमारे पास आज रिसोर्सेज हैं ये हमने इनहेरिट नहीं किए हैं, ये हमारे नहीं है, हमने इनको बोरो किया है, उधार लिया है अपनी अपकमिंग जनरेशंस से. For whom should we hold the earth, and the answer is our descendants. Millennium means 1000 years. And last question is United Nations Charter was adopted in 1945. So this was the video, and I hope you enjoyed learning the questions and answering them. It may have boosted your knowledge and confidence as well. For more such videos and quality content, you can subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with better content and the best videos that I can. Thank you for watching. Tata.